Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad ke Sangma haka arpulai trik rempang ula ong baka Sorkar jong kala Tynruh syaka Sorkar pedeng ban pynjynsur ya ke jingdon kam bahadu shispa hectare na ke benta benti dewiong katkum ke jingstad saian haka baka jingya keren kadang ya syakmat ban penhiar syaka 10 hectare. Mentang ila sedang banya keren bat ki dah ke boong, ki babun ki nong ti par jongi ki de ki berit baria, hatu ngila ban penduna ya ki kendon bat penhiar syaka 10 hektar. Kumta kata ke jingya keren menta kalayat, ngin bedeng ban yakhun hadu banda yo ong Konrad haba keren syagilat pathai kubor. Ulai syem ya ke jing sedang pentrekam ya ka license system, bat ka jingtih dewiong da ka juk jingstad saian kum ka sinjam ka bakrau shibun bat benrang mentangin beteng ban tre ya ka kam ban pet kumno ngin la ban kam pen bha da ka ba penduna ya ka jingbun hectare na ka shispa le se sha ka sanpho ne saupho ladalong ka bala sha san hadu shiphoru. Habakali Menteri Rangba ula penkesan ya ka rai jong ka Sorkar ban menjur ya ka jingdon kam jaka ba shispa hektar na ka benta ka jingtih dewiong katkum ka jingstad saian da ka boong ba ka de ka jing shimrai ka ba bha bat ka bala shim tang ban yo sedang ya ka kam. Ha Meghalaya ka rukom bat khendo ka ya pher don kam ban thau ya ki an bat ki rule ki ba ya pher ngilayat ha ka lenti ka bam tip sha ngin poi bat ngim tip ya ka jingmi batai Konrad. Ula ong baka Sorkar pedeng kala keren syai baka shispa hektar ka dei ka bamla syu banya keren penbeit lada ka Meghalaya ka kwa ya ki nong ti par ki badon jingmut shisha. Kumta nga hab ban shim ya ka rai ngala rai tungin ya sedang. Ngila ban omyo ya baro ki arpho point bangapan ngin saya keren biang ya kani ka kam hadien ula ong haba ban rap bala mutha ya ki nong ti par bakin ya trailang ban la ban pendap Yaka kendon ba shispa hectare.
I've repeated this story many times. I'll repeat it again. When we were going from this entire journey to try and clear the rules and mechanisms to have scientific mining, we were on a completely new path. Nobody knew what's going to happen at the end of the day. And why is that the case? Because of the complexity that the laws and the land laws are different in Meghalaya compared to the rest of India. So India has got a certain system and a policy for other parts, but in Meghalaya, because the land holding systems are different laws and rules had to be created. And we were going on kind of untreaded path, and we didn't really know the outcome. And at every single level, some queries coming to me, what about this? No, we can't accept this. And you to manage government of India, you're managing the cabinet minister, you're managing the officials, you're talking to the joint secretary, you're talking to Coal India, you're talking to CNPDIL, you're talking to the other officials of other departments, of forest department. So it's a very complex stage you're looking at because you don't know what's coming ahead. Now, while that discussion is taking place, so there are lot of arguments we're having. I'm like, look guys, this we cannot agree to because this is not going to help. This is going to make life difficult. So there are like 20, 30, 40 points that are there in front of us, and we need to find a way to move forward. So we're sitting there, and government of India is saying, no, this 100 acres hectares is not negotiable. You have to be, otherwise you won't get serious players. So here I am trying to negotiate 100 hectares versus the fact that we have got a traditional system, the land belongs to our people, and this and that issue. So here I am trying to see, well, can I handle this particular issue later on? Because if I keep sticking to this point also and keep sticking to this also and this also and this also and this also, we'll never be able to find a solution. So I had to take a call at that point in time. It was a very difficult call because I know that this matter would come up. But what I decided at that point was, look, let it start at least. I may not be able to convince them for all the 20 points that I'm asking for. But even I can negotiate and say that, look, let's start the first mines. And let's get this, different rules and procedures through. So we were really in a point where we had to take a call. Are we going to keep sticking to this? Because of this, the whole scientific mining system may just stop because government may not agree to anything. So I decided at that point, look, let's just leave few of the topics for now there because ultimately we need to start scientific mining. So we'll come back to this at a later stage when they see that that most of the miners are small miners. In the meantime, we'll ask the miners if they can all come together, 10 hectares and make 100 hectares or some other way, so that we don't have to negotiate with Government of India on every single point and fight with them and delay the whole process of scientific mining. So I had to take a call. So we took a call at that point in time and we said, okay, look, we will not stress too much on 108 hectares because Government of India was stressing on it a lot. So they were like a 1 point for them. And we moved ahead and we're lucky that we got through. Now we have started negotiation with them, telling them, look, we're getting 20 people, but then most of our miners, almost 10,000 miners, are small-time miners. So can we now reduce this whole criteria and bring it down to 10 hectares, 15 hectares? So that discussion is on now. So that is the reason why it will happen. Does that mean that we're going to stick to it? No, we're not. We're going to keep fighting. We're going to keep working. But at least, as I said, the fact that now the licenses have started coming in, the scientific mining process has started, is a very, very great step for us. Now we will keep working on seeing how we can make it even better by reducing the number of hectares from 100 to maybe 50 or maybe 40 or if possible even to 5-10 also.